Ooh, ooh, rain keeps falling down. Midnight whispers through my window. Streetlights paint the floor in gold. Your shadow lingers in the silence like a story never told. Every drop against the glass sounds like footsteps in my mind. I try to leave the past behind, but it's raining every time. And I hear your voice like a distant melody, calling out my name from a broken memory. In the echoes of the rain, I still feel you here, like a ghost that never fades. Through the smoke and mirrors, every tear that falls washes pain away, but your love remains in the echoes of the rain. Photographs in empty spaces, coffee cups on both sides. I still reach across the bed in the middle of the night. Maybe love's a fragile fire, burning bright then turning blue. But every storm I'm walking through leads me back to you. And I hear your voice like a harmony breaking through the dark, still chasing me. In the echoes of the rain, I still feel you here, like a ghost that never fades. Through the smoke and mirrors, every tear that falls washes pain away, but your love remains in the echoes of the rain. Maybe someday I'll be strong enough to stand beneath the pouring love, without looking back again, without whispering your name. I know, but tonight I let it fall. In the echoes of the rain, I'm not scared of pain. Every drop that hits my skin makes me whole again. Now I'm not the same, I have found my way. Through the storm I rise from the echoes of the rain. Oh, rain keeps falling down. Oh, but I'm not drowning now. Ooh, ooh, ooh.